Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Garmin heart rate monitor to Strava. So guys, as you can see, I made this table over here. So first thing that you will do is make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your mobile device. And after that, just simply open up the Strava application and just simply select record from the bottom navigation bar. After that, just simply go ahead and tap on the heart rate icon, or you can just simply select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you should be able to see an option heart rate sensor. And the app will start searching for available sensors. And from there, guys, just simply wake your Garmin Bluetooth heart rate monitor. And this will be depending on the manufacturer manual. And after that, once it is discovered, guys, it will be listed in the available devices and just simply tap on it. And from there, it will automatically connect. And from there, just simply select done to return to the recording screen. And from there, your heart rate will be displayed during the recording. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.